Hi friends, actually it is good night actually. Now the time is 10:44 on 26th January. See, as I already mentioned that 22nd January was the key date and 22nd January was holiday. So we need to take 21st January high and low or 24th January high and low. Okay, so Bank Nifty yesterday, it has not went below 24th January low and it went very near to that low, and from there it bounced and closed above 24th January low, high, which is very good. And Nifty also bounced back, and Nifty held my important number, which is 16,940 as of now on a weekly closing basis, and we have another 2 days to go in this week. And this 16,940, the number I'm not mentioning now, I'm mentioning for the last 4-5 months. Okay, that number is actually for my mutual fund followers. So till it doesn't close below 16,940 on a weekly basis, you don't need to worry about Nifty. Okay, and I predicted this date in the month of November itself, this January 22nd date. So I'll just show the sample, then I'll just take a little bit of view on Nifty, and I want to discuss about two very important stocks which I am going to have a key eye the next 2-3 days. Okay, so first we'll go to the PPT which I wrote on November. Okay. Okay, so this is my November PPT, and I'm writing this PPT for so many years, and every day people those are following me, they get this PPT. Okay, so this is the day on November 10th. I mentioned this 22/1/2022 will be the game changer day for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Mark this date in your calendar in bracket blue color TCD, which is very powerful. So any close below 24th January low, because 22nd is holiday, and normally on a trend change date, Nifty will close maybe about 250 points or maybe below 250 points. The 250 points is the key. Okay, on 21st, even though it came down by 250 points, but it closed somewhere around 150 points. So we should not take that into consideration. But on 24th, it was a major fall, which was a big day because of 22nd January, and it went down by 630 points and closed a little bit somewhere there. So based on the history, 24th January low is the key going forward from here on. And obviously there is a mega day which has happened on 20th December. Even that is also I predicted much before. And till it holds that low, we don't need to worry about Nifty based on dates. Here there is no trend line, there is no Ishimoku, there is no pitchfork, there is no indicator or oscillator or a system. Nothing is needed in this. This is a simple date concept. Okay, so till we hold 24th January low on a closing basis, we don't need to worry about it. And Bank Nifty is doing better than the Nifty, so concentrate on Bank Nifty on a long side. And we are already in long because yesterday it gave a long. Okay, now I'm going to December PPT. Okay, so now I'll close this. Then I'll go to December PPT. Okay, on December PPT, on this is a weekly observation from 20th December to 24th December. Okay, on this I mentioned these 4 dates. If the market has to bottom out, it should happen only on these following dates. The dates are 20th December, 21st December, 22nd January 2022, and 29 January 2022. So all these 3 days you have already seen. Market made an exact bottom on 20th December. From there, it gave a phenomenal rally on the upside. It went to roughly around 18,347 level. And from there, it came down very badly to 16,860-70 level. and yesterday it closed at 17,250. So this is the mega day. The 20th December is a mega day, which I have clearly mentioned many times. Okay. So now the next date was 22nd Jan. So we need to watch 22nd is holiday. So we need to watch 24th high and low. Till it holds 24th high and low, there is no problem. Now the next important date which is going to come is on 29th January. 29th January is holiday. So we need to take 31st January high and low. Believe me, 31st January high and low will decide the fate of budget. Okay, if it breaks below 29th January, 31st January low and close below for 1 hour on 1st of February on the budget day, then there will be a big problem on the market. But if it holds 31st January low, then there is no problem. Why 31st January? Because 29th January is the important date and 29th January is holiday. So we need to take the next day. So 31st January. And budget is on Amavasya day and it comes on Tuesday, which is very powerful. Okay, watch it. Okay, in case if Nifty, if the budget is phenomenal and it was taken well by the market players, then the market will definitely go up on the upside. But it will top out on February 21st or February 22nd. From there, the minimum fall of 11 to 12% you will see. In case if the market moves up from here, please listen to this very carefully. If the market moves from here on the upside, then market will top out on February 21st or February 22nd. If the market collapses from here because of the budget and goes below 24th January low, then the bottom may happen on February 21st or February 22nd. So the important date to watch out in February is the key 2 dates, which is February 21 and February 22. Okay. Hope you got my points clear. February 21st is holiday. So the key date is February 22nd. Simple. There is only one date which you need to, no, I think February 21st is also okay. Just a minute, I'll tell you. Yeah, February 21st also working and 22nd also working. And it's coming on Monday and Tuesday. So let's watch out whether it is going to top out on that day or it is going to bottom out on that day. But as of now, we need to watch 31st high and low, which is the key for the budget. Okay, all these dates I'm giving much earlier because I've given this January 22nd date on November itself. So now I am giving February date on January itself. You simply watch. Let's see the magic. Okay, now coming to levels. Okay, coming to levels. I will show my PPT, which is for tomorrow. 1 second. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm really sorry. Yeah, I'm opening now. This is for tomorrow, which I've sent, I think 2 days before in the evening itself. Okay, so these are the key important resistance on the top, and these are the 2 important support. And I'm writing these 2 numbers from the starting of the week itself. So now it closed above 17,161. So we don't need to worry about the market till it holds is 17,161. The next target is 17,351, which is a very crucial number. In case if the market closes above 17,000, 576 on or before 31st January. It's a welcome for the market. Let's see whether it is going to turn out from 17,576 or it is going to go from there. Okay, so now tomorrow is the monthly expiry. First 30 minutes high and low candle will decide everything. First 30 minutes high and low candle will decide everything. And the support number, resistance number, and then futures number, all is here. The remaining numbers, futures numbers, all this here. So you can see. So now I don't want to go very detailed into my numbers in Nifty. So now I'm closing. I'm going to graph. Okay, so many people will ask, can I see any authentic proof that you said all these dates, which is 20th December, 21st December, 22nd January, and 29th January. All these dates you can see in this video, which is Nifty on mega day and few stocks to buy. All these dates I've already mentioned here, and this video I put a month back. Okay, you can go check my YouTube video, and if you put RS Parthasarthi, you will get this Fortune Advisors logo. In that, I have covered everything. I have not only covered Nifty and Bank Nifty, I covered cryptos, I covered Dow Jones, I covered everything on important dates, and whatever I mentioned, and it is all working thanks to market, because market respecting those dates. Okay, so now I'm closing this. So now we'll go to graph. Okay, and see, this is the system which I designed for intraday player, to a positional player, or even for the mutual fund player. If somebody wants to get into mutual funds, they can simply use my indicator, and then they can do fundamentals. I will keep it aside. For me, my dates and my system will make me to stay in the market without any emotions. That is what is more important. And my system gave an exit in November 2019, and it gave a buy on 23rd March 2020, and that video also available, where Nifty made exact bottom on 24th. Okay, so now coming to my indicator, which is fortune signals. This works pretty well from 1 minute time frame to 1 month time frame. Okay, why I'm saying that you can stay in aggressive funds, you don't need to move money to balance advantage fund as of now, because based on my indicator, it has given a buy here, and whenever it comes and touches my blue, it will bounce. Okay, here. Till it is in green, you don't need to worry about market. You don't need to worry about switching from aggressive to balanced or liquid. All that you don't need to do anything. Simply stay in aggressive. Simply stay in aggressive. I will tell you when to shift based on this. And we are in phenomenal profit, the way in which we entered in the month of March. So now the key number which I am watching out for is 16,365 to 16,059 level. Till it holds, nothing to worry, and my number, which is 16,940, holds good. This 16,940, I am telling this number for so long, and even till now market is respecting that number, and it is not closing below on a weekly basis. Even if you see here, it came down below 16,940, but this is happened on 20th December. And from there, the weekly closing was above 16,940. So we don't need to worry about Nifty on a long-term perspective. Stay put in Nifty in aggressive funds itself. Okay, I'm not talking about small cap. I'm talking about large blue chip and larger mid cap. Okay, small cap is which I don't give a lot of concentration into it. Okay, so now coming to daily. So I've already mentioned 31st January is the important date, and the next 2 dates was January and February. So now I've covered Nifty. So now coming to 2 stocks, which I'm watching out very, very keenly. And before that, I want to show my important dates on stocks. Okay. So watch this. Okay, so as I mentioned in my November PPT when I started my video, that blue color date means it is powerful. Okay, here all this is all blue color, so it is powerful. See, yesterday SBI had a blue color date and it flared up by 4%, and 2 days before Bank of Baroda. Okay, so that date high and low is a key. Okay, now for SBI, yesterday high and low is the key. If it goes above yesterday's high, simply buy with the stop loss of yesterday's low. Okay, now I want to cover two stocks. One is Cadila Healthcare, okay, which is going down from very high level, and it had a major yearly TCD. Yearly TCD means I will always mark in yellow color. Okay, for my subscriber to know why it is yellow color. Yellow color means it is yearly trend change date, and the yearly trend change date will come only twice in a year. Okay, so now for Kedila, it is 25th January, which is yesterday. And coming to Titan, which is my favorite company, and it is going to have the important date on 28th. Why I'm covering these two dates only stocks is because I will tell you why. And tomorrow, Canara Bank and PNB is having a major date, and all these dates I give in the month beginning. The month beginning itself, I will give all these dates. And if you ask any counter for the entire year, I can give you. I can even give dates for the next 10 years also for any script. Okay, so now PNB and Canara Bank is going to have the result date tomorrow. So watch it. For me, it's very simple. On a trend change date, and that too on a blue color date, first 15 minutes high and low will decide everything. So for Canara Bank and PNB, and you can take all the notes of other companies for 27 also, because 26 holiday, because Canara Bank and PNB having a date today. Today is holiday, so it is tomorrow. So you can take all these counters till 27. Tomorrow, Hindustan Lever is having a major date. Tomorrow, Colpal is having a major date. Tomorrow, Nestle is having a major date. Aarti Industries is having a major date, and it is at the bottom. And I'm going to cover Aarti Industries also. So now we are going to watch out Aarti Industries, Titan, and Cadila. Okay, so now I'll close this. And one more thing I want to show you is these things. So for the whole year, for till 2022 December 31st, I have dates for all the scripts. You can ask me, I can give you. And next month, 17th and 18th is very crucial for IT companies. I will cover IT companies. So if you take Infi, the important date is February 22nd, and this February 22nd is exactly matching with my Nifty date. Watch out. Okay, and Wipro also having the same date very near to that no date. If you go to Wipro, it is 17th February. 17th February. Okay, and if you go to Tech Mahindra, it is October 1 and January 2nd. Just go to January 2nd. January 2nd was holiday, which was Sunday. Just go to January 3rd and see what happened to Tech Mahindra. Just see what happened to Tech Mahindra. Okay, so and HCL Tech, the date was November 30th. And the first yearly date was January 2nd. Please go and check what happened to HCL Tech on January 2nd. That is January 3rd. Okay, so now I'm closing this. So now I will go to the important stocks which I'm going to cover. Okay, so now Cadila had an important date on 25th January, which is yesterday. Yesterday's high and low is key for Cadila to move up or move down. It's already down only, and the date it came on 23rd December, and from there it went up. After went down, it collapsed. So now the important date is 25th January. The 25th January high was 404 and the low was 393. If it goes close below 393, it is again going to head lower. If it close above 404, possibility of reversal. Okay, but why I am choosing this company right now when everything is at the sell, and my indicator, my fortune signal gave a sell call at 556. why I want to buy this company when it is in red? That's a question. So now, if I go to monthly, Kedila is exactly sitting at the bottom of my system. I am happy to go long if my system gives a buy signal on 15 minutes for positional, because this is monthly. Normally, monthly blue color and this red color line, it won't give up that easily, because on monthly it is still in buy, because the person, those who are taken a positional call, long-term call in Kedila Healthcare, it gave a buy at 85.5. Until now, there is no sell, right? And now it is approaching that monthly line. So the number to watch is 396.36, and the red color line number is 360.75. In case if the market goes below 25th low, sorry, I'm talking about Kedila. If the Kedila goes below 25th low, which is yesterday's low, possibility of taking support at 360.75. I will definitely buy the stock when it comes to 360.75 with 2% stop loss. Or if my system gives a buy on 15 minutes, if my system gives a buy on 15 minutes in this counter, I will definitely buy this counter. This is not for long term and all. I am talking about trading. I am a trader. If you want for long term, then you need to ask me for long term, then I'll give you the long term call. So now, based on my system, it has given a sell call at 451. And from there, it is sell only. As of now, there is no buy. But I will buy when my system gives a green color buy at whichever number. Okay. I will buy this counter with my system stop loss. Why I am buying? Because 25th January was the key date, and the key date is stuck at my monthly design. That is why I am buying. This is number one. Watch out for this counter. The second counter which I am watching out is Titan. It's my lovable counter. Based on pitchfork, exactly the top made on Titan on pitchfork. And if you go to my PPT, you know 10th January was the important yearly date for Titan, and from there it collapsed. Okay, so now Titan is at my daily system number. The daily system number is this blue color and this red color. Yesterday it came down all the way, touched to my blue color, and it went up. The credit goes to Nifty, because Nifty also went up. So now if it owes this number on a closing basis, which is 2344.75, 2343.30, I will definitely go long in this counter, because it is at the bottom on a daily. If it close, but I will take this counter only on 28th, not tomorrow, because 28th is the important date for Titan. The first 15 minutes high and low of Titan on 28th will do the magic for Titan. If it goes below 15 minutes low on 28th, you can close your eyes and sell with the stop loss of 28th 15 minutes high. Please remember, with the stop loss of 28th 15 minutes, first 15 minutes high. If the stock goes above first 15 minutes high on 28th January, then you can simply buy with the stop loss of first 15 minutes low on 28th January. We don't need any indicator for this. We don't need any indicator for this. Okay. So I'm going to watch Titan on 28th. Why? Because it is at my system support on daily, and Kedila is at my monthly support on my system. So I will buy Kedila when my system gives a buy on 15 minutes. If you go to Titan, if I put 15 minutes, it is still at sell only. It has not given a buy for me. So I will try to ride this counter. Once it gives a buy on my when my system gives a buy, I will buy. and Titan gave a sell on my system at 2575 on 20th January, and from there it is at 2376, which is down roughly around 200 rupees from the top. So these two counters, I'm keen on watching it. And the last counter which I want to cover is Aarti Industries. This is also in sell from 1084, and today it is at 979, and on one day, yesterday, it was exactly at my support. This was my system design number. Okay, and why I'm very confident on this counter is because if you go back, last year on 16th November, it had a major yearly date, and it is the high and low I've already marked in blue color and red color. The high was 980 and the low was 956. This happened on 16th November 2021. 16th November. Okay, so it is respecting that number. It is respecting that number. So here also I will try to buy this counter when my 15 minutes system gives a buy. Till that time I will not buy. And tomorrow is the very important date for Aarti Industries. First 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. Watch it, enjoy it. So in case if you want to know more about my indicator, which can be used for trading, positional, swing, whatever you name it, you can call me, and my number is 979170688. You can call me. I will put my indicator. You can use it for 3-4 days and give your opinion. Once you like it, you can take it for subscription. Okay, I'm closing this video now, and whatever date I mentioned in cryptos, whatever date I mentioned in Dow Jones, Nasdaq, everything was working awesome. Enjoy it. And if you want to give any feedback, please give feedback on the YouTube video. Again, I'm saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework before investing in any stock or any index, cryptos or whatever, and consult your financial advisors. So I will give my numbers for my subscribers, my followers. So you please take the advice from your financial advisors and go with it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please comment it. Then only I know. In case if you're stuck in any counter, please let me know. I'll try to help you out on which date or on which Vedic number you can take a support. All that, I will definitely try to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Good night.